Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to do a step-by-step install of the National Cycle wind deflector on the Xt250. The link to the product is down in the description, and if you enjoy content like this, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. We're going to be doing a little different format than what I usually do. Instead of commenting throughout the entire video, we're just going to watch the video itself. So once I get done with this opener right here, you will not hear me for a while. Okay, and this is a 3/16 Allen key. Okay, and on the opposite side. The lighting is not the best, but you can see that the windshield is pivoted slightly more to my right-hand side than it is to my left-hand side when I would be riding the bike. However, the difference is so marginal, only a couple of millimeters, that I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so all in all, this installation, including all of the filming that I did, only took me about 35 minutes, which is very simple. This is a universal wind deflector. I think it'll fit really any motorcycle where there's enough space on the handlebars. I think it goes really well with a round headlight. It's pretty iconic with these Yamaha motorcycles. And after riding both on-road and off-road with this wind deflector for the past year, I gotta say it does a lot more than just keep bugs off my chest when I'm on the road. It also keeps rocks from flying up at me when I'm in group rides on these kind of off-road environments here. It's protected me a couple of times, nothing that I think would have been extremely threatening to my life, but nevertheless, extreme help in keeping more than just the wind off me. Thank you all for watching. This has been Natty Rides, and I will see you in the next video.